Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto garlic bread bites, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's begin the video. Keto garlic bread, take 1/3 cup of almond flour, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 clove of garlic finely chopped, and a pinch of salt. So mix this well. So I have mixed this very well. Now I am going to pop this in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds till all the cheese is melted. So the cheese is all melted. I am going to mix this with a spoon to form a dough. So right now the dough is very hot. So let it cool for 1 or 2 minutes and then we will make it into small bites. So the dough has cooled down after 2 minutes. So now break this into equal parts. You can roll into any form, like a stick form or a thin roll or like a patty, but I am going to do an oval shape ball. So this looks good. So now I have 4 bite-sized rolls. So let's keep this aside and take aluminium foil. You can also use a parchment paper. Spray this lightly with oil. Now place your rolls. So now I am going to gently press some Italian seasoning on top of the roll. So now on the top I am going to add some Parmesan cheese. This is optional. So these are ready to go into the oven. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 8 to 10 minutes till the crust is golden brown. Today I am going to bake them in the air fryer. So I have placed them in the air fryer basket and they are ready to go. So keep an eye on them, make sure they don't get burnt. Each oven is different, so you might have to keep them for longer time or lesser time. So it's been 10 minutes now. Let's check them. They look nice and golden brown. So we'll take them out now. So I have taken them out. So let's place them onto a plate. No sticking to the bottom, and they look delicious, crispy on the outside. So let's wait for 3 to 4 minutes till they are a little bit warm. So this is how the bread bites look. Serve these breadsticks with some marinara sauce, but I don't have any marinara sauce at home now. So I'm going to serve this with some homemade tomato chutney. So I hope you enjoyed this keto garlic bread bites recipe. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and comment down below which recipes do you want to see more from my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.